All right, well, we got similar information, slightly different vertex. It's not going to be as much of a slam dunk here. The directrix is y equals -4, not a surprise, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crosses the y-axis at -4, and we're going to do the horizontal thing. Now, we could say, jump to conclusions and say, well, there's our vertex and our focus is up here, but don't jump to conclusions. Our vertex is at 3, 1, so count over 1, 2, 3, and up 1. We now have kind of a similar situation in that we know where the vertex is and the directrix, same kind of idea as we had here. The difference is we don't have a vertex at 0, 0, so we can't just kind of say, well, let's do the other number, the opposite sign. We need to actually look and calculate. That distance right there is 5. This is down 4 from here, and that's 1 up. So if that distance is 5, that same distance has to be true to go up to our focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right, oops, sorry, it's right there. I'm going to put an X to signify the X. Our P is equal to 5, okay? It's above. This is downward, this is negative, but we know that the parabola is going to curl around the focus. It's going to open this way, around the focus, away from the directrix. Okay, so we at least know it's a positive direction. And we can count up our focus. There are different things that we can do. We know that it went up 5 from here, and if it went up 5, then essentially we're only adding 5 to the y value. So that would be 3, 6. That's our focus. The equation, as we refer to this guy right here, is made up of two basic parts. It's the a value that we can calculate here and there, and our vertex, which is given. Okay, so our a value is 1 over 4p, and if I know that p is 5, then I've got y equals 1 over 20 times, now we've got our vertex. This is h, this is k. X minus 3 squared plus 1. So that's our new parabola with the center at non-0, 0.